Hello, welcome to my this session of computer. In this session we will see Scratch. Scratch, what is Scratch? So see, if you don't have computer, you have only phone. Then you want to do Scratch, but in phone you cannot download Scratch app. And if memory is also full, you cannot download. Yes, no? You cannot download. So why have I made this video then? So in this video I will tell you I have one link that will open Scratch. You can use that link from description. I have given the link in description. So see, when you will click on the link, after clicking on the link, the browser will be open. If browser will be not there, you cannot do. See upside, there is option ideas and about. If you are using computer, in computer you are using this link, then create option must be there. But in phone, sometimes it will not be there. So what to do? Then rotate your phone screen. Then what to do? Rotate your phone screen. Now you can see here. See, now create option has came. Click on the create option. After clicking on the create option, one file will open. Till then, till it will be open, you can switch off the rotate option. Or if you don't want to switch off the rotate option, don't. After switching off the rotate option, see, now also it is not done. See, it is coming. It will take a little bit time, wait. Now it has been opened. Now see here the sprite. How can we add sprite? See, you can see a cat option here. Click on this cat option, and if you want to search, there is one option of searching. Click on that. Now see, the sprites have came here. You can search a sprite even. One search option is also there. You can see that, I think. See, now how can we back? I can go back. How can we go back? See, here one back option is there. Click on this back option. Now how can we add background or backdrop? See, now near cat, see there is one photo option here. So click on this and then click on the search option. Now here also the backgrounds will be open. And you can go back like here from here also. Now see, if you want to make a game and you don't know how can we make. Now where are tutorials? See, I will tell you where are tutorials. The tutorials, you get see up there, you will see a tutorial. Tutorial option will be there. Click on that tutorial option. Now see, you can see tutorials. You can even search from in this also. Then you can get back from like that only. Now more tutorials are there in it with other motion. See, you can see here one option is there. There are also tutorials. How can we add sound, anything. These are extension, not tutorials, extension. Here also you can go back from here. So this video was this much only. And I will tell how can we delete sprite. See, here sprite 1 is written. And here one dustbin in which cross option is there. You can click on that and the sprite will disappear. See, the sprite has been disappear. And see, motion blocks are also been disappeared. Because without sprite, how can they move? The sprite is not there, how can it be moved? It cannot. Now this video is this much only. So I have made this video so that you can enjoy Scratch, do Scratch. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video.